Hi everyone, welcome back to the course. This is the third video for this course. In this video, we're going to look at the essential navigation tools in AutoCAD, the tools that let you move around your drawings smoothly and efficiently. Let's get started. By the way, you can access this same drawing at the link below. Simply open it out so that you can follow along. To navigate effectively in AutoCAD, a 3-button mouse is essential. Here's how to use each button. Left-click to select objects and commands, scroll wheel to zoom in and out and pan around your drawing, and right-click to access shortcut or context menus. To activate any command in AutoCAD, you can select it from its corresponding tab and panel in the ribbon using the left-click. But before that, I want you to notice the cursor before I choose any command in the tab panel. You notice that the cursor has a square and a cross in it, so it means you need to type a command or select a command in the tab panel. I will select a command here in the tab panel. After that, you will see here the command is active with its name, and the instructions are shown here. Also, the cursor is changed into a cross point selection or a box selection tool, like this one. When I select another command, the cursor will change into the cross or box selection tool, depending on the command. In order to exit this command, simply press the escape key. Now, to zoom in or zoom out, simply use your mouse scroll wheel. Scrolling forward to zoom in, scrolling backward to zoom out. The center of the zoom in and zoom out will be based on the cursor that is pointing at the drawing. In order for us to use the panning, simply press and hold the scroll wheel, and now you can move the drawing area like this. You can also access the same tools here in the navigation panel bar. We have a pan tool, just like what we did a while ago. We have zoom tools. To access this, simply select this small arrow. As you can see, we have multiple zoom options. You can choose any of these options. For example, in this case, the zoom extents are selected as the default. You can click this to fit everything at once. We also have zoom windows, which you need to create a square window with for the object that you want to zoom in on. For example, if you want to zoom in on the circle, simply create a window around it, and it will be brought into the current drawing area. We also have the zoom previous here, which returns to the previous state of zoom. Another option that you might find useful is this zoom object. Simply select the object that you want to bring in, and then the object will be brought into the complete area. You can just learn how to use the other options and use them according to your specific drawing requirements. You can also access the 3D drawings. You'll use the orbit tool to see the drawing from the X, Y, and Z axes. So currently we can see our drawing from the X and Y axes, or from the top view as you can see here. But in order to see it from the 3 axes, or if you want to see the height of this drawing, simply go to the navigation toolbar and simply click the orbit tool. Now you will notice that the square is actually a 3D shape drawing with a certain height. We also have another orbit option, which is the free orbit tool, that is useful for viewing the drawing more freely. To activate this command using the mouse, you can do so by simply holding the Shift key and then holding the mouse wheel. In order for us to return to the original condition of the drawing, simply click on the top of the cube, and it will return to the 2D drawing. If the orientation of the drawing is incorrect, we can simply correct it using these arrows here. As you continue learning AutoCAD, mastering navigation will help you work much faster. Practice using your mouse controls and try switching between zoom, pan, and orbit until it feels natural. In this way, we learn different navigation tools in our AutoCAD drawing.